Right, more on transformations. This is reflections. Supposing we have a function, an equation, y equals f of x. Okay, there it is. Now, if I just put a minus in front, here it is. Right? If I have the negative version of this function, that's going to give me x-axis reflection. We'll see as we go along. But if I put negative x where the x is, if I replace the x with negative x, in other words, the negative is kind of part of, I've just put it in front, I've kind of put it inside the function, not just tagged it on in front, all right? We'll see. Then this is going to be y-axis reflection, okay? So let's have a look at some examples. Here we go. Y equals a fifth x to the fourth. Here's the original graph, okay? Again, if I just put a minus in front, or the negative version of this, I'm going to flip it over the x-axis, and I'll get this, okay? Now, here we go. Here, right here. This is the original function. If I can trace it, there, little kink, and back down again. Okay, about little kink, and back down again. Okay. Now, if I were to have just put a negative in front, so watch this. Supposing I was going to do x-axis reflection, then I would have just done that and put a minus in front, and that would be x-axis. But it's not that. Okay. What I've done is replace the x with a negative x, okay? Again, here's the original, replace the x with a negative x, so it's kind of part of the equation. Instead of just being in front, that minus, it's part of it, okay? That's going to be y-axis reflection. And again, I've taken this point, I've flipped it over the y-axis, so it's gone to there. This original point has gone to there, and this hump here has gone to there. Okay, it's y-axis reflection. Let's have a look at some more examples. Right, so here's the original, okay, x cubed minus 4x squared. Now, if I replace the x with a negative x, okay, that's going to be y-axis reflection, and here it is. There we go. There's the original. Put that over there, this over there, that over there. It's y-axis reflection, okay? So I haven't just stuck a minus in front of everything. I've kind of, the minus is kind of, you can see it's kind of inside everything. It's kind of part of the function. It's not just in front. Right, and if I did just put the minus in front of this, watch this. Okay, if I took this and made it a minus in front of the minus version of the function, that's going to be x-axis reflection. And that's what this is. Because look, what's negative x cubed? Negative x cubed. What's negative 4x squared? It's positive 4x squared. So this is just a negative version of the original function, okay? And I'll show you over here. There it is, okay, right here. All I've done is take the original function, which is x cubed minus 4x squared, put a minus in front, and it becomes this, which is what the question was. So this is going to be x-axis reflection. Let's have a look. This is the original. Okay, down and down, okay? Just follow the arrow. Down there and back up again. So this point up here has gone right over the x-axis to there. This minimum here has gone up here. And this down here has gone up there. It's x-axis reflection. Let's have a look at some easier examples. Look at this. Here's the x squared graph. If I just put a minus in front, I flip it through the x-axis. There you go. If I replace the x with a negative x, so the negative is now part of the thing being squared, okay, that's going to be y-axis reflection. The thing about the x squared graph is it's already symmetrical over the y-axis. So for this, I have actually taken this, put it over there, taken this point and put it over there. Well, it's not changed the look of it, but I have actually reflected through the y-axis. Let's have a look at something that I've taken from Desmos. Now, Desmos.com, great graphing calculator. You can put these equations in and have a look. So here's the original. Root x plus 1, here it is. Okay, there it is. It's the root x graph. Moved one to the left, okay? Transformations. Now, if I put the minus in front, isn't that just x-axis reflection? Yes, it is. There we go. Reflected over the x-axis. There was the original, okay? Minus inside, okay, look, now the negative is inside the function, okay? I've replaced the x with negative x, and now that is a y-axis reflection, okay? Again, there's the original, there's the y-axis reflection, okay?